Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to be taking a look at how to install the Fish shell on Kali Linux. Fish is a powerful and user-friendly shell that comes with a lot of useful features like syntaxes, highlighting, autocomplete and autosuggestions. To get started, well, first open up terminal on Kali Linux. Once we have that open, we'll run command sudo apt update. First of all, I write sudo. My default password is Kali apt update. Perfectly. After that, we'll run the command apt install fish. Why? Once the installation is complete, we can start Fish by running command fish. This will open up a new prompt that shows the current working directory and the hostname. Okay. If you want Fish to be your default shell, you can run this command. Perfectly. This will make Fish your default shell and you'll automatically start using Fish whenever you open a new terminal window. Once you are using Fish, there are a lot of cool features that you can take advantage of. For example, you can easily navigate the file system using the cd and ls commands. You can also set environment path variables with the set command like this. Perfectly. Fish also comes with a feature called aliases, which allows you to create your own custom commands. For example, you can create an alias called chsh that runs the git status command by running the command alias. For example, okay. Another great feature of Fish is the autocomplete and auto-suggestions. As you type command, Fish will suggest commands that you might want to use based on what you type so far. And it also has syntax highlighting feature, which makes it easy to see the different parts of command and helps to avoid errors. Finally, Fish is fully integrated with all your command line tools like manual pages and autocomplete, so you can use Fish seamlessly with all of your other command line tools. All in all, Fish is a powerful and useful friendly shell that is well worth checking out. If you are looking for a way to make your command line experience more efficient and pleasant, Fish definitely worth giving a try. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, just click on like, share and subscribe our channel. See you on next videos.